Today I am going to unwrap this brown paper, and this is the starter plants, and I ordered this through online. Okay, let's get started. So here's my first. This is a Chinese money plant, and it comes with the soil is very dry. Comes with a 2 inches little tiny pot. It's cute. That and but anyway, I'm gonna transfer this into the bigger pot so they have plenty of more room to grow. So here it is. So far they are in good condition. This is the Chinese money, round and with little. Okay, next is, here you go. So let's open this mystery plant. Whoa, got this, very tiny. So far they are in good condition. And it's in the tiny plug like this. All right, let's open another one, another mystery plant. This one is go and this is a pearl and jade photos, and also very tiny. This is how big the plant is, to give you an idea. See, this is how big the starter plant. Okay, can't wait for them to grow. Next is our next mystery plant is, okay, okay, and this one is too dry. This is the scissors, this color plant, and it's beautiful. And got the back here, and it's like a purple or like a dark pink, the bottom ribs, and little dry but not bad, and they are healthy. So tiny. Last mystery brown paper inside. And this is the philodendron micans, and look, and has a little damage on the leaves, but it's okay and not bad. They're all good. So far so good. And here it is, and healthy plant. This is the philodendron micans starter. All right, guys, these are the plants that I received few hours ago. Right, guys, this is the plant that I received few hours ago, and these are all starter. And yeah, I need to transfer this in a bigger pot so they have plenty more of room to grow, so spring comes and everybody happy. And so far arrives in excellent condition. So this is the pearl jade. Okay, and this is the Chinese money. Oops, rolling. And here's the philodendron gloriosum, and here's the philodendron micans, and this is a scissors, this color. So now I'm going to transfer this into a bigger container so they can breathe. Okay, guys, after I remove the plastic wrap from this soil, and now I can see the roots, and this is the philodendron gloriosum, and there's the roots. It's good. So far so good. So now it's time to put this in this pot. This is this pot that I'm going to transfer to. This is 3.5 inches wide. Okay, and I'm using the mixed soil. I'm using the mixed soil, and this has a little shoots here. This is the Philodendron gloriosum. There we go. Philodendron gloriosum. Now I have to put label. This put here. And next, we'll see, add soil here. And this is a scissors discolor. And look at the roots also. We'll start rooting. So it's time to guys go, and this is scissors discolor. Okay, put label in here. About halfway, and let's pull this out. Look at all the roots. It's a lot of healthy roots here. They are so dry. The soil are so dry. It's back here. There you go. There's lots of tiny babies here, and they're so healthy. And oops, there's so cute. This little tiny pot, so cute. They like toys. Perfect for kids. Teaching them how to plant. Okay, there you go. This is the Chinese money plant. There you go. It's beautiful. Most of my plant, when I buy in the store, I start small, mostly, especially when they're pricey. But because I like to see them grow also, and it's nice to see them, you know, when you've been taking care of the plant and you see they thrive. Yeah, it makes me happy. It's fun. It's fun planting. All right, so here's my plant. Now I'm going to water this and drain well. Make sure they're draining good. And I have to water they're thirsty. I need to hydrate this plant. Here you go. I need to hydrate this plant. They are thirsty, super thirsty. All right, done. Happy planting. Thank you all for watching, and happy planting. Bye-bye. God bless.